Hello and welcome. Today we have a wonderful student over here with us. She's Anju, one of my proud mentee. Today she's gonna share experience with Learning Academy as she has spent a few months with us and has learned so many new things. So let's go with her. Anju, so tell us what was the reason behind you wanted to join spoken English classes and why did you join it?
We all know that we are living in a global world and the world where English speaking is really required. So I also wanted to speak fluent English. So and I believe that it nowadays it is very important that you know English speaking so that you can being recognized well, because if you speak English you will be recognized well and you will be able to speak, and if you want to travel in any country then you will be able to travel by your own if you are able to speak in English.
Okay. Okay, wonderful reason and logical reason is there. Along with this reason, can you tell us something more about you? What do you do? What are you pursuing, by the way? So tell us something more about yourself.
So currently I am pursuing DLED from Miranda House. So currently I am in second year. And we all know that if we want to study further higher study, so there it is important that you know English so that you can pursue higher education in English medium, because if you want to study higher, if you don't know English then you have to struggle a lot, and if you know English then you will be able to read as much as you want. And we all know that many books and many more things are there but which is available in English.
Wonderful things you have spoken so far. Now tell us, as you have spent a few months with us and you have been talking to some other students, been in touch with some other students and with the teachers as well. So how's your experience at the Learning Academy?
If I talk about my experience, so it is a really wonderful experience. I have been learning here English in this institute. So it was wonderful because we all learn, we all do discussions, debate, and grammar part, speaking practices, presentations, and recording videos. We all do all kind of activities which helps everyone. And if you talk about me, it helped me a lot to improve my speaking part.
Anju, we as we go through so many activities over here, every day we have something unique and different to learn and to speak about. There are so many activities. So, which activity do you enjoy the most here? Like whether it's debate, discussion, role play, sharing our views about some things. Various activities are there. So, which activity do you enjoy the most?
So as you shared that we do lots of activities, as you mentioned, and it's very hard to choose one activity that I like the most. But if I really have to choose one thing, so it would be discussion or debate we do in class. So I like most.
Okay, wonderful. One more question for you. Do you remember any activity where you felt most confident after attempting or after going through that particular activity? If you remember, where you felt the most confident, like I'm doing my best. So, do you remember any such activity?
Yes, when I a few days ago when I presented my topic in front of the class. So I think after that class, I felt amazing experience it was. I feel that now I can speak English fluently in front of people.
Okay, that's wonderful. Good. I remember it was about, I think, study or education something.
Yeah, education.
Where you shared some of the data and figures.
Data figures.
Okay.
Yeah.
As per your experience, what is the most challenging part of learning in English and how did you overcome it?
I think if you are doing something else and along with that you are learning English, for example I go to college and along with that I have to do these things, so sometimes it became challenging for me to handle both the things at the same time, but somehow manage, I give the time, appropriate time for both the things to manage and balance the things.
Everybody wants to learn spoken English, but few of them become able to speak fluently. It could be anything for anybody. Like for you, it would be something else. I'm asking about the challenges which we face while learning. Why most of the people, do not become successful in learning it.
So, for learning English, first of all, it is very important to be consistent and be regular in classes and practice all the things which you learn in classes. Practice the things for speaking. You have to speak not on. It should not be limited only to the class. You have to speak after this class also. I think this is the thing. Most people have to face or challenge these things, and if you will able to overcome these things, then I think people can able to speak this thing.
What was your plus point as you have reached till that level? If I talk about myself, I used to do self communication. I was talking to myself in my mind, and sometime I used to do lip sync. So while I'm walking, I used to speak to myself. Every time when I used to watch any movie or something else, so I used to translate all those dialogues in English. This is how I got command over the language. So what was your strength while doing or while learning it?
Think the main credit goes to you, but if I have to talk about my effort, so try to talk to myself in English uh, before going to my bed or while walking on road, and I try to listen or watch some the videos or read the pages in English. So these things helps me.
Okay, tell me one more thing. As you are moving to your village for a few days now, it may be 20 or more than that. So, what's your plan after moving to your village? How would you be continuing your study or your practice about spoken English? How would you be dealing with that? So, you should not lose your fluency there.
As I do self talk, it will be continue, and I will be watching videos or read some pages, and I will keep some books, English book with me, so that I can read, and this fluency will not break in between.
As new session is about to start, April and March is about to come, and so many new students would come to join us. What advice would you like to give them so they should not waste their time and energy and they should hit their goal within a few months? So, what advice would you like to give them? This is how they should learn, or these are the things which they should not do?
So I think first of all, be regular in class.
Okay.
Focus while you are attending your class, because at that time you will be able to focus and learn the things, and make your strategy that how can you work on this language, or how can you learn, because everyone has different strategy that they apply. So everyone should apply that they can follow on regular basis and be consistent with that.
One more question. After learning spoken English, how many things or subjects are there which you are able to access after learning it? What changes did it make in your life?
I think the thing that I would like to say is that earlier I didn't used to read books, but after attending this class and as you motivated me, so I have started reading books, and I have finished 2 books, and I'm going to start new books. So I think the most important thing that I have inculcate in myself, and definitely earlier when I was not good at this language, so I had to face many more things in my academic study also. But when I have gained some knowledge about it, so I don't face that much problem. So it helps me in study a lot, and even I can speak to my family members or my sister and brothers that gave me some honor in my family.
You have started getting some respect
Respect.
in your family. Okay, wonderful. Good. As you shared that you have started reading books. These books are all about self-improvement.
Yeah, definitely.
Okay. Most of the people, they are not aware about the power of reading. So how does it benefit in our life? If you start reading books, if you become a bibliophile, So what changes does it bring to you?
I think we are listening from many times one thing that book is best friend of us. So when you start reading the book, so you will got to know that this quote is really fit for everyone. When you start reading books, so you will able to got many more things, not only one particular field, but you will got to know many more things which exist in world, and you will able to develop yourself, you will gain more knowledge about it, and you will enjoy the books. Many of us don't enjoy our academic books, but if you read this book, so you will love that books, and you will gain many more things. Self development books I love to read. So if you sometimes you are not able to find the solution, but if you read books, then you will be able to gain the answer, and you will understand that what should I do in that situation, and if I take a decision in that situation, so it is right or wrong.
Yeah, well said by somebody. Readers are the leaders. Do you believe in that?
Definitely, yes.
It makes you a better person, a better version of yourself,
Yeah.
isn't it? And you become a little more mature about life after reading some philosopher and other writers, because it takes years to write a book, okay, and it takes a few days just to finish that book, and you become, a few years mature, because everybody is not able to write a book. You need to have a lot of experience about the things. Only then you can write it. So if somebody is writing a book or have written a book and you are reading to that book, it is quite similar to spending time with that great person who has written that book, isn't it?
Yeah, definitely.
Wonderful. Would you like to recommend Learning Academy to other students, and why?
Yeah, definitely. I would like to recommend other students to join, because I joined this institute and I got the opportunity to learn many more things, and today I'm able to speak in this way. So definitely I would love to appreciate all the students to join this institute, and they also started speaking.
Okay, tell me one more thing. When I used to study, I've been through so many institutes. I've, spent time there a few months. Okay, so this is how I gained experience and learned from everywhere. Okay, then I tried to make a little, different course and the different way of teaching, which makes it accessible for everyone to learn spoken English. So you must have read or studied from some other institutions. What's the difference between other institutes and Learning Academy? Do you find any difference in the way of teaching?
Yeah, as I have also studied in some other institute also, and now I'm here, so I can see the difference that where I used to study earlier, so they don't use the worksheet and all the things, and they don't focus on the speaking part. Although they are saying that English speaking course, but they focus on the writing parts or grammar part. They don't focus on the speaking parts. And I think this is the thing that I was finding, the thing that where I can improve my speaking part. So here when I came, so I found these things. So I think this is the different thing, and you take the classes different if we compare to all these institute, because you combine different kind of activities like debate, discussion, role play. Sometimes we have to sell some product, so and presentations also. Along with that, we also do grammar with that. So we got to know many more things. We got exposure many more things to learn.
Actually, we work on all the parts of spoken English like reading, writing, listening, and speaking.
Yeah.
So, in every session, we try to cover everything.
Everything.
And we try to make the classes most enjoyable every time. Okay, that's wonderful. Thank you, Anju, for sharing your experience. We are so proud of your progress and wish you all the best.
Thank you.